Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a look using these crazy cat shape tools. Yes, I know what you guys are thinking. What is this going to do? But if you'd like to learn what to do with these, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to be trying out this crazy eye thing. It's a cat shaped eye like stencil for your eye makeup. It has so many different shapes of different things you can do. We're not going to try out like every shape just because I probably don't understand how they work, but it shows a picture on the back of the like ways you can use this. You can do your eyeliner with it. It gives you like a nice cut crease with it, a cat eyeshadow look. It even like shows the person like using to pull down their lower lash line area to get into the waterline. It just shows so many different shapes on this cat, and it came with two little packs of this, and each one has two in it with different shapes. But I got this on Amazon for $5, and I'll link it down below, of course, if you want to try it out. But I thought this would be cool just to kind of see like if it works, because I don't know, I suck at eyeliner and I suck at cut creases and all that, so if this is helpful, then I want you guys to know about it. But if it's not, then maybe this will be a funny video. Alright, so I just opened it up and it comes with these two little plastic things. I feel like there's tape on it. I would not tape this to my face. Maybe not. It kind of looks like there is, but I don't think so. I think I'm wrong. But it has different shapes, so I believe like, I feel like, gosh, there's so many shapes. It's like one, two, wait. There's so many different shapes, so like, I think this one's the like cut crease shape. Yeah, we might use that one for like a cut crease. There's like an eyeliner shape right here, which does like a, ooh, that looks like a nice wing stencil. Okay. I feel like this one might be an eyeliner stencil. No. Maybe, I don't know what the hell that one is. But it has like little numbers on it. 1, 2, 10, blah, 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 of like what it does. So let's see. Number 1 is the eyeliner stencil. I kind of want to use that. Lord, okay. Oh yeah, and then this one has like a little cut crease in shape as well. But it seems like we're gonna try this out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start into my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm gonna be going into the color Eden right here, which is that light color, and this color is like my number 1 favorite color. And I'm just gonna start blending this. This is so pigmented. This blends out so amazing. This entire eyeshadow palette is a dream come true. And I'm not trying too hard to make my makeup look super good. I might do 2 different looks on both eyes, but I'm not sure. So I'm of course gonna do what I normally would do, blend really nicely and everything, but I might do something crazy over here and more simple over here. I don't know. I might do the same thing. I don't know, because I gotta figure out what these shapes do. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go into some dark colors today just so I can get that full effect of if it's working well or not. So I'm gonna go into the color OUD right here with a different brush and just start blending this into my crease. I'm going to blend it on the outer part as well, just a little bit. But I'm going to start building up this color so I can get that nice cut crease line. And I just love this eyeshadow palette. Everything just blends out so easily. Like I'm barely blending and it already looks super nice. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the first brush and just blend everything together, but those eyeshadows just blended out so easily. I kind of wish I was being like really serious with this makeup, you know, like as a tutorial, because this looks good so far. Alright, so now we're going to be cutting the crease. It does have 4 and 5 as like the crease cutting, you know, styles. I think 5 is like super huge, like that's gonna look crazy on me. So I don't think I'm gonna use 5, but 4 looks pretty decent. And it just goes on your eye like that to kind of cut the crease, I believe. So that's what I'm gonna do it as. I'm just gonna be taking a flat brush and some concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, in case you guys were wondering. And I'm gonna be dipping into that pretty heavily like I normally would. And now we're gonna try it. And I really have to get close to my mirror, so forgive me if I get out of focus a little bit because my camera does not have autofocus. So I'm just laying this right here. I'm gonna be doing all kinds of crazy stuff. I don't know how to hold this. Maybe like that? I feel like that moves too much. Oh god. I'm gonna mess up my brows doing this. Whew. Okay. I think I got it in a good place. So I'm gonna see if this cuts my crease nice and sharp. Take it off, and you know what? Alright, so you guys, that did a really good job, honestly. I'm just gonna sharpen it up a little bit just because it was hard to keep holding it there, but like so far this is a better cut crease than I've ever done in my life. Lord, okay. I hope this makeup looks really good so I can do some cute selfies after this. Alright, so before opening my eye too crazy before it gets stuck to my lid, I'm just going to go in with some powder and just quickly set that. I mean, fuck, like I did a little uneven. I think that was a little bit my fault, like right here. But like, that's a pretty nice ass cut crease. Like I've never even done a cut crease that good myself. So I'm a little shocked. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with some more concealer and just do the other eye really quick. This thing is hard to put on your eye, but like hold it still. But I feel like once you learn it, you'll be good to go. Okay, this eye not as good, but I feel like it was just how I was holding it was kind of awkward. So I'm just going to fix it up real quick. Not too sharp on this side, but I do think that was my fault. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly set the area. I mean, I don't know if they're even, but I mean, like, that's a better cut crease than I've done myself. So I am liking this product. So alright, so I'm going to go in with a flat brush and pick up this color Blood Moon right here. Blood Moon. And this color is really pretty, so I'm using this because I've never used it before. And I'm just going to be placing this on my lid. Alright, so I'm going to go into the color Turkish Delight and pray that it looks better. Usually when I'm using like shimmer colors like this that aren't like super glittery, I do spray my brush. So that is my fault, but they're not looking good on the eyes like at all. They kind of look like shit actually. So I'm just going to go in, but I do want this makeup look. I feel like it's separating, honestly, like this eyeshadow. Ugh, that looks disgusting. I wanted this look to look good. I am very disappointed. I'm gonna try the color Nefertiti, I believe. It's a golden color, and try to like Actually, this is more of a finger color. So I'm gonna put this on my finger and just like lay that on top and pray it helps it, because that was not looking good at all. Back into that brown color we were using with the same brush and just pack it on this end part right here. I'm gonna go a little bit into that gold color again and just kind of lay it on the lid. I feel like the eyeshadow is like separating on the lid. I don't know why, but it's like not staying pigmented, which is like weird. But this gold color is really pretty to lay on top. Alright, so number 1 is supposed to be this like very intense dramatic wing. And then number 2 is like a different style wing, like a smaller one. I don't know if you guys can see, but it would look good. I'm gonna go with the dramatic one just because, you know, I'm not someone to do dramatic ones and I want this to work. So I'm gonna go in with this new e.l.f. liner. This is their new little like pencil style felt tip liner and it's really good. It's $2. I don't know how it works over eyeshadow because I have not used it with eyeshadow, but it's decently pigmented. It's not like super matte, but it is. This is like really good for beginners and I suck at eyeliner, so this works great for me. Hopefully it works good over eyeshadow, but it just has a really nice fine line. So we're gonna go in, and I hope I don't get out of, you know, frame again, but I'm gonna go in on this eye and just pray for the best. Alright, so I tried to zoom you guys in, but I'm gonna be laying this like right on that. I'm more worried about the outer part, so I'm not gonna be worrying about this part sticking in because that's a pain in the ass. But I'm gonna go in and see how that works. Hopefully this is like thebomb.com. Yeah, this is not easy, guys. That's not even like, you can't even get on those sharp lines. So I'm gonna put this right here and try to stencil out the rest of the eye. Cool. That's not cool. Okay, this is really hard to use. I feel like if you practice with it and maybe use like a liquid liner, it would be better, but it's like not giving me a sharp line at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and freehand fill this in because this outer part is already a flop. So I'm just gonna go in and try to fix that. Okay, so I went in and sharpened it up a little bit. It is a little messy, like right here on this outer part, but like once I sharpened it, it doesn't look too bad. Do you guys think it looks like terrible? I know I have like hooded eyelids, so when you open them they look crazy, but like it was not that hard to fix. Like I just need to get a little bit sharper and like clean it up with concealer, but like at first it had me scared, but I kind of liking the dramatic wing. I might have to use this more often. Like I'm kind of excited. Like holy crap, that's a nice bougie ass line. Like I've never even done winged liner this good. Like at first it had me scared, but then it was just like really easy to fix up. So it's like a nice like beginner stencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and try to stay on frame because fuck, that looks good. Okay, this one was a little bit more fucked up, but I'm gonna try to fix it really quick. Okay, so this eye was a little bit harder to do, and it is a lot thicker and uneven. I got it a little bit too much in my crease area, so it does look a little weird, but honestly, like, this side is so nice. Like, I wish I could do eyeliner like that all the time free-handed, because that looks really, really good. And first, let's talk about this eyeliner. Do you guys see how pigmented and nice and easy this went on? Because this is only $2, and you guys know I am a cheap hoe. So I like to find everything that's good, that's very inexpensive, but that stencil kind of did me a little bit of, you know, it gave me like a nice line to work with. It was too hard to like put on my eye and keep it there while drawing it on my eye, but I feel like if you practice with this a lot and use it, it would actually like be a really good stencil. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara because why not? And this, of course, is the e.l.f. mascara as well. Super inexpensive. It's like $1 or $2. And you guys already know I talk about this a lot, and it's super good. And then I'm just going to pop some more gloss on. This is the Dose of Colors Desi X Kitty Gloss. Because I don't feel like putting on lipstick because I'm just about to wipe this all off. Okay, so yeah, that is the completed look using these little crazy cat eye things. I'm actually like kind of shocked by these. I was not expecting them to work good. Like, even though they looked good, I felt like they were just gonna, you know, not work since nobody's talking about these. But I'm really glad I found these on Amazon because I'm probably gonna have to use these a lot more, like in my videos and when I'm doing my makeup in my bedroom, because there's so many different like things you can do with this. Like, I don't know, this is crazy. Like, it actually worked. Like, at first the eyeliner did scare me because it did look like complete shit. I was like, that's not good, but it was so easy for me to fix it up. This eye is a little bit too thick and crazy for my liking, but this eye is perfect. Like, I feel like I need to just practice with these a lot more. I suck at eyeliner, and this actually looks good. And that cut crease line, I just need to practice holding it on my eye correctly, but like, that gave me a nice cut crease, and I'm actually really living for this eye makeup look. Like, totally, this is kind of cool. $5, you get 2 of these, and you get a whole nother set that's the exact same as this. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,500 subscribers. So the second one I got on Amazon that came with this, I think I'm going to put in that giveaway as well. So let me know, guys, like, what you thought about this. Do you think it could be super amazing? Would you guys like to try this? Did you like this video? And let me know down below in the comments if you like videos like this, because I love to try out weird stuff. And let me know like other things you would love to see me try out, because I would love to go get it and try it out for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial using these crazy cat eye shaped things. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.